Hi there everybody, it's me Taylor, your favorite skanky gal. I am back today with another yarn haul video. Before I get into today's yarn haul video, I want to take a moment to apologize for my introduction video as to who I am. It is very blurry. Dear God. I am still learning the ins and outs of video editing and how to go about it and what all it entails. So if you could please just have patience with me as I work through the bumps and the kinks and all the other stuff that's in YouTube videos. I will not say a lot. That's something I'm going to work on. Don't want to be one of those people who's and like. Anyway, there are other words in the world to add to my sentences. Okay, circling back through, I just want to apologize for that. So if everybody could please just bear with me, I would greatly appreciate it. So, yeah, I'm looking at my yarn down here. We switch out for I also want to apologize for talking really fast. I talk fast naturally. I noticed in my introduction video and in my first yarn haul video that I was talking obscenely fast because I was nervous. Why am I nervous? It is literally just me in my living room at my coffee table talking about yarn by myself. Like, my husband's not even like, he doesn't care. He's not even present. So what am I nervous about? This makes no sense. Why am I nervous? I don't know. So, okay. For about a little over a year and a half now, I've been hearing about Hobbii yarn. How I've been late to the Hobbii yarn family is beyond me. I have watched so many videos of people doing reviews on their yarn and how much they love it and how it's affordable pricing and how it comes from Denmark and how it's so wonderful and like the quality, XYZ. People go crazy over it. So I decided, well, I don't want to just dive into a bunch of yarn, and I went on their website. Oh my God. They've got different fibers. They've got different types. They've got different colors. It is like going down the rabbit hole of yarn. I sat there looking at all this yarn and I got slightly overwhelmed because I was just going, how do I pick and choose? And I'm a big person that likes to touch and feel things before I purchase it. I do like to read reviews on a lot of stuff. So if people either write reviews or make review videos, I do tend to follow a lot of that. So with that being said, I decided instead of just trying to figure my life out and make a decision, which I decided they have mystery bags. A mystery bag. I've seen videos of people doing like mystery boxes and mystery bags, and well, I don't have to make choices. They just give me whatever I get, what I get, and I don't throw a fit. So why wouldn't that be a good start to getting a taste of what Hobbii yarn is all about? So I ordered 2 mystery bags, and guess what came in today? Those mystery bags. My husband told me that I was a crazy woman for basically standing in my front window all day waiting for the post office to drop off said yarn, because Hobbii did the beautiful thing of emailing me this morning letting me know, hey, it's out for delivery. You will see your package today. And ever since then, I was on the edge of my seat. Holidays. I have to open it now. So let's dig in. I ordered 2 bags. One is a bag that's an acrylic mix, and it's supposed to be 500 grams. And then the other bag is a cotton mix, and I'm supposed to get 20 skeins. So let's dig in. I believe these feel different. So I believe this is the acrylic bag. It's not labeled. But either way, I'm excited. Look at that. It says Hobbii on it. I'm so freaking excited. Okay. Let me be a left-handed person and use my right hand to cut this open. Because that's smart, right? I've waited all day to open these, by the way. Like, literally, I've waited all day to open these. So, this will be my first and genuine reaction to them. And I could just squeal with excitement. So, if I scream like a 16-year-old at a Harry Styles concert, excuse me. Excuse me. Ooh! I don't even know how to pronounce that. Yep, okay, I'm glad I pulled up my laptop because these do not have names on them. They have a number. Oh my god. I'm not a big fan of purple. Like, I'm really not a big fan of purple. This is so pretty. Oh, you guys don't understand how excited I was to open this bag. Okay, one at a time, Let's do this one at a time. Okay, so this is the Amigo Aquarelle. I can't pronounce that word. Hobbie's got your girl looking like she's illiterate. It's fine. This is the word. If someone else could figure out how to say that word, oh yeah, I would kindly say thanks for pointing me in the right direction. Either way, it's 100% acrylic. It is a number 5 bulky. It is 100 grams or 109 yards. It requires a 7mm knitting needle or a 7mm crochet hook. So I'm on the website and I'm looking at this yarn and I'm assuming it's going to be pronounced acryl. That's how I pronounce it. So when I got on Hobbie's website and started looking at this yarn, there's a note at the bottom in big bold letters that says, please note this product is being discontinued and we are clearing out the stock. Get yours before it's too late. So currently they only have 5 colors left in stock. They're originally $12 a piece. They are going for $7.20 right now. Oh, that's a bummer. So I don't know the name of the color, but what I can tell you is it's color 15. Either way, isn't that so pretty? Here. Focus. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? Oh, and it's so soft. I love squishy yarn. Amigo, I'm not even going to try anymore. Okay? Giving myself a tongue twister. Not even going to try anymore. This is beautiful, though. Next in here. Oh, we have it in blue. I like blue. I do like blue. Oh, look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That's such a pretty blue. It's a happy blue. This one is color number 4. And again, it's 100% acrylic. It is a number 5 bulky. It is 100 grams, 109 yards, 7mm knitting needle, and 7mm crochet hook. Very nice. Oh, that's pretty. I like that. What else do we have in here? Malaga. Ooh. World of Yarn. This is so I'm like not even paying attention to the camera to tell you what this is. Okay, so this is Hobbie's World of Yarn Malaga line. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? It is a number 4 weight. Such a pretty color. It says it's color 21, but if you bear with me, I will look up the color in just a moment. It requires a 5mm knitting needle or a 5 to a 6mm crochet hook. It is a number 4 bulky weight. It says again, it's machine washable, but not dryable. 100% premium acrylic. This entire bag is acrylic, but I don't know if I'm gonna have any acrylic blends in it or not. So we'll just kind of go with it. That is so pretty. This color, it's color number 21, but when you look it up, it's called eucalyptus, which is so funny because I'm a big plant lady. I love eucalyptus. And that does, it looks like a eucalyptus leaf. Like, oh, that is beautiful. It currently runs for $8 a skein. Not bad considering it is 180 yards or 100 grams. Oh, that's pretty. And it's so soft. All right. Ooh, we have another World of Yarn Malaga. This one is color 17, but here in a moment I will look up the actual color. Is that not pretty? It's like a baby blue. Borderline periwinkle. Again, it is a number 4 medium weight. Requires 5mm knitting needles or a 5 to 6mm crochet hook. 100 grams or 180 yards. Machine washable, not machine dryable. That number 17 is light blue. I like the simplicity behind the color. Very pretty. And this is currently in stock as well. That's a nice color. And last but definitely not least, another one that I cannot pronounce. But it's another purple. So since I have 2 of these, they're number 5, 109 yards a piece. I don't know what I'm gonna do with them. Maybe make a really cute hat. Busier dye lots though kind of give me ever so slightly a little bit of like, just because I feel like patterns tend to get lost in busier dye lots. But we'll see. So pretty. Okay. So in the mystery bag for the acrylic, we got 5 beautiful skeins of yarn. And currently the acrylic bag, lucky bag is what they're calling it, but I would call it a mystery bag just because, I don't know, probably shouldn't call it that. It's a lucky bag. The lucky bag acrylic 500 grams is running for about $17 right now. So when you think about it, these are going for $7.50 a pop right now, and these are $8. That's $16 right there. This is a deal, and it's fun because you don't know what you're gonna get. Forrest Gump would like this. I like that.